Wisberg, Wisberg, Wisberg and daughter auto locksmith offers the best automotive locksmith services for individuals and businesses. We operate 24/7, even when it's raining and snowing and it's too hot to go out without air conditioning throughout the year, making us the best source of help when you have an emergency. We can work on any model and make, car, truck, motorcycle, and van. Transponder keys, no problem. Ignition switch not igniting, no problem. Truck or door lock won't unlock, no problemo. We do it all. We're fast, low priced, and insured. Call us now at 201-399-3021.